In this video, we will State of Oregon Car Seat Laws 2022 and Booster Seat Rules. So let's start now. Like the other 49 states of the U.S., the State of Oregon car seat laws is not appropriately obeyed by the citizens. The result is 57,726 car accidents in the year 2017, of which 4,571 were children under 14 years of age. The negligence toward car seat laws in Oregon is improper child car seat installation, inappropriate car seats, inadequately restrained children, not wearing a seat belt, etc. Knowing car seat laws could save those lives. We are going to discuss Oregon car seat laws today in a step-by-step manner to make sure which car seat you should have for your child and how to restrain them in that. State of Oregon Car Seat Laws 2022. Oregon Car Seat Laws 2022 state that all children under 12 years of age must be adequately restrained by a standard child restraint system in their car seat while traveling by road. The kids under 8 or 10 years are slender, and a vehicle seat belt doesn't fit them perfectly. A loose seat belt is dangerous. Therefore, baby car seats have been designed to provide the child with a standard restraint system that fit them perfectly and keeps them confined and safe in moving vehicles. The car seats have some laws and rules on how to use them. NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and DOP, American Academy of Pediatrics, define these laws by age of children, and these may vary from state to state. Let's discuss the car seat laws in Oregon for children of all ages below 12. 1. Oregon car seat laws for rear-facing children. Rear-facing car seats would be the first seats that your child will ever use. You must know the Oregon car seat laws for this car seat. A child under 2 years will remain in a rear-facing car seat until they have crossed the age, weight, and height limit for that car seat. A car seat weight chart would help you to find the rear-facing car seat requirements. Rear-facing car seats are logically positioned rearward so that in a car crash, the fragile bodies of infants would be shielded by the solid frame of the car seat, which will be towards the front of vehicles. Related, how soon can a newborn travel long distance by car? 2. Oregon car seat laws for forward-facing children. Oregon car seat laws for forward-facing car seats state that, when a child crossed the age, 2+ years, weight, 30+ pounds, and height, 25+ inches, the limit for rear-facing car seats, they are allowed to sit and ride in the forward-facing car seats. Rear-facing versus forward-facing statistics showed that children riding in rear-facing car seats are less likely to receive fatal injuries in car crashes. Keeping in view the above statistics, the parents are advised to extend the rear-facing car seat limit until at least 4 years.